TikTok just released a massive change to the Creator Rewards program, and for many creators, myself included, it is killing our monetization. And as proof, here's how much money I have made for views this month. This time last year, I was making 5 digits every single month. So what's changed and why are so many of us struggling for views and revenue? Let's dive into the details. TikTok has divided their Creator Rewards program into 2 different categories: standard rewards and additional rewards. Standard rewards are the classic creator fund we're all familiar with and the one that used to perform really well for us. But recently, TikTok has added additional rewards. And if we aren't understanding this massive change to how our content is currently being measured and rewarded, we will keep seeing pennies instead of thousands of dollars. How do we get our videos to qualify for these additional rewards? TikTok has laid out 3 key criteria. First, it has to be well crafted, meaning your video has to be over a minute long, have polished editing, and it uses high resolution video, at least 1080p. Second, it has to be engaging, meaning it needs to be interesting to watch for your audience so your watch time increases. Also included in this criteria is using the Creator Search Insights tool to increase the search value of your content. Finally, and the one that's going to be my biggest struggle, our content needs to be the same theme or specialty. This means TikTok wants consistency both in our style of video as well as our topics. They specifically state that only creators with specialized content are eligible for the additional reward. Ouch. So now that TikTok has let us peek behind the creator monetization curtain, I completely understand why I made 55 cents this month with the Creator Rewards program. On my channel, I am my niche. My travels, my business, products I love, my puppies, it's my life. But now I understand that my life isn't specialized enough for the algorithm. So if you are also struggling with TikTok monetization like I am, you have a decision to make. Do you keep creating content that worked for you in the past? Or do you pivot and try to make content targeted towards this updated Creator Rewards program? Because I coach content creators, part of my responsibility to my clients is to pivot when monetization programs have new requirements or the algorithm changes. I need to continue to teach my clients those current best practices. But to be clear, I am still going to be my niche because I don't have time to create a whole new niche. But at least for the content I publish on TikTok, I will become much more defined and specialized in the content I publish. So in the weeks ahead, I'm going to do some A/B testing on what performs best with these changes to the Creator Rewards program so I can share that information with my clients. If you're a content creator, it is crucial that you learn to not just survive monetization changes, but absolutely thrive because of them and optimize earning potentials from those changes. You need to be always learning how to make the algorithm work for you, not the other way around.